Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not working properly. So to start, close Instagram and go to your settings. Once you're on settings, what you need to do is to scroll down and go to general. Now next, tap on iPhone storage. And in here, look for Instagram and open it. Now what you need to do is to click on offload app. So confirm the action, tap on offload app once more. Now, once reinstall app appears, click on that and it will reinstall the app. So just wait for it to finish. Now, if you want to check the progress, you can close settings and look for the Instagram app. So as you can see, it's almost done. So it's done. Let's close settings and go to Instagram. If you need to sign in again, so just do that. And once you open Instagram, check if that solves your problem. Next, you can also go to settings again, go back to the main page and go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable internet. You can also switch to data, switch from Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.